Okay, so you go to this one, you go for main cameras here. Okay, this one you select main camera. You see rendering here, you check this post processing. Check this post processing. Right click, create empty, you tap pause processing. So post processing. So you can add components here. You search for volume, VOLUME volume here. So this one you click new, so to have this post processing profile, then you will see this add override. So you click this one, you select post processing. Okay, now you select this one, firm grants. Okay, so you click all, then you make your intensity higher. So now you will see many plot is in your side here already lah. So this one is post processing. So you try and run and see is it work or not lah. See you got this one right, dot 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 dot, right, so many dot 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 dot, right, see so many dot 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 so means that okay already lah. Okay, the rings. Okay, so now I can see many dot many dots over there. Dot 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 okay, so